Right, so we're at 2.1 on systems of equations. Do you remember what a system of equations is? Okay, give me an example there.
Four y is equal to 12, and then another one will be like 3x plus 6y.
Yeah. That's a system of linear equations. Right? How can we solve that? Okay, so we can solve it algebraically with substitution or elimination. What else?
What's the one where the, yeah, that one.
The what? Kramer's rule. That'll be matrix. Matrix simplification. We'll get to that. Yeah. Well, these systems, you don't need it for these, but you can use it. When we get to 3 by 4 equations is what it really is. Okay, so you can use that. That would be numerical. What else? That's a good shout out there. What do we usually do with linear equations? We graph them. We can solve it graphically. What could these solutions look like? Remember always. How many solutions? One solution. They intersect in one point. Am I going too fast for you guys, or right? I heard one I'm good, so I guess we'll go with it. What are other possible solutions? What would that be? What would that look like algebraically? What would happen if these were parallel? Yeah? Okay, so we have the same slope. If I were to use elimination, you get something like this. Two numbers that are the same equal to each other. So if you solve these and you get just two numbers equal to each other and it's true, you have parallel lines. Okay, so you can look at the slope and say they're parallel. You can subtract these two. If they give you the same answer here, they're parallel. Okay. There's one more solution that we can have. What do you think of that? Right. We have the same line. I made it loop here. This is not right. they have to be different. Parallel lines, they'll be different. There'll be no solution as false by mistake. The other case happens here, where they have the same slope and y-intercept. And you might get something like that. Okay. So if you saw that mistake, please tell me, because I do that all the time. So one solution, it'll give you an x and a y. No solutions gives you a false answer here. Infinite solutions. Gives you something like that, where everything is the same. Do I need to show you a graphical example? Can you guys graph those? Are you okay with if I don't show you a graphical example? That's my question. Because I know you're good at graphing. So, you already have the answer here, Dominic? Right. Let's show the algebraic just to make sure you got it. Yeah, I prefer elimination personally. It doesn't matter to me what you use. So I'll show you this one by elimination. For elimination, we want to force either one of these to match. Well, yeah, they will. So what can I multiply with the top one by to get the bottom one? So I can multiply this one by -3 and this one by 2 if I want. I could just do 1.5 on the top one, save a little bit of work. It's up to you, doesn't really matter. Any numbers work. So I get -6x minus 12y, -36. By math, right? Yeah. Add or subtract? Because those are opposite signs, we need to add them. So that gives us 0. So that's 0, right? And that's 0. What's that? 18. See how they don't match? Those lines are parallel. No solution. So that's the algebra elimination method to do it. You okay with that? Okay. Let's do one more, and then I'll let you loose. This is where I would use substitution. Because I have an isolated variable. Right there. So I'm going to take this, which is y, and I'm going to plug it right in. Get good at substitution. Please get good at substitution. It's used a lot more than anything else for this, for solving equations, systems and equations. So that is going in there. That's right, I'm just going to do it in color, so you don't have to erase them. Right? 2x plus 3. And then I'm going to plug that into it. X minus 2 and y. You need to solve that equation? Okay, go ahead. Anybody else? 2/5? 7/3? Yeah, I think those are different answers. 7/3? Anybody else want to put a vote in? Nobody? Oh, that's just... Correct me if I make a mistake.
Is it 41?
Yeah. Okay, that's what I was thinking too.
No, you're wrong.
Do you see your mistake? You gotta use the hippity-hoppity property. Somebody knows the 5x. Add 6. And then y. And then to finish, one mistake does not make you stupid. Or else I would be the biggest idiot in the class. I've got like 20 years on most of you guys. That was for mathematics. Put it that way. If you leave it in fraction form, you make your math teachers happy. If you don't want to, you don't have to. I'm not going to force it on you at this point, but remember your common denominators? It's 4/5. Okay, now your answer needs to be in this format. Oops. 4. Yeah. Got it. That's your answer. One solution, it's a point on a graph. X, Y. Better? Good? Let me make sure. You're probably going to run into some word problems here, so be aware of that. You're given the equations most of the time.
Do you have any questions? Let me grab your assignment. You're gonna have 20, 25 minutes on it, so you got plenty of time. Okay, 2.1, 1, 5 through 10. 32, 33, and 39 to 40. Are there any sports events tonight? Nothing? My mouse writing skills are getting better, but I wouldn't trust them that much.